Hi guys, welcome to Step-by-Step PowerPoint. Do you want to know how to create cover like this? Stay there to stop this video. The first step, add text box and type -.15 times. Then select it and go to this more things for font. Go to character spacing and choose a spacing on condense and 3 pt. Okay, then go to the shape format, text effect, transform, and choose the square word for this minus sign. Now fill whole of your slide with this text box, and now right click on your text, go to the format text field, text option, text field, and choose picture or texture field. Here with the insert or from your file or online pictures, you can add your pictures. I choose this picture. Now go select on this picture, go to the animation tab and choose zoom animation. Put a start point on with previous, and then go to the animation pane, go to the more effect option, animated text, put it on by letter. Okay, now add another text box, write your text, change its size and font. Now change its color, select it, go to the shape format, text wheel, new field and text outline. Right click on this, format text, change its width, go to the text effect, shadow, and glow. Okay, now selected this text box again, go to the animation, choose wipe animation and change it to the from left, choose it with previous, change its duration and with a few delay. Let's see what's happened to our cover. Yes, it's finished. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot.